Hello, it's Uclid here. So I was building this game, a 2D game. I worked for last 5 days in this game, and I will show you the update right now. I'm building this game in Godot engine. As of now, I have tried most of the game engines right now. I tried Unity for so long. It was going very well, but then I tried Godot and found out it's really simple and it's less complex than Unity. And then before that, I tried Unreal Engine, and what I realized was this little shitty PC of mine was trying hard to handle that engine. Anyway, right now, let me show you. Oh, where am I? This is my game. So the basic concept of this game is where is it? Yeah, we have a moving train, and our player is standing on top of this moving train, and there are some enemies also on the top of the train, and we shoot each other and kill each other. Also, there are some obstacles coming from the right side, and we have to try to avoid that obstacles too. So let me show you a quick demo. This is how it looks right now. See, enemy can shoot us and we can also shoot enemies. But you can see when I try to shoot him, he's jumping and avoiding the bullets. And he is also jumping over the obstacles. See, he's jumping over the obstacles. Also, right now, there are two types of obstacles, as you can see. The one with a longer height and the small one, which we can jump over it. And right now, the bullets hit both of us, the enemy and the player, but nothing happens. Just a small explosion there, but no health, no damages, nothing. So what I am trying to implement right now is the health and damage, and when we deplete our maximum health, we have to die, or our enemy have to die. So as you can see, I used only cubes and the primitive sprites here. As you can see, the guns and the enemy or player bodies or the buildings in the background, the trains, everything is just cubes or a polygon. So what I was trying to do is create a prototype as of right now and get my friend involved in this project. So he's a quite good artist, so he can up some arts for this theme arts. So it won't be looking like this after a few months, since I am trying to get him into this project. I was an artist a couple of years ago, and then I lost the touch of it. So I tried, but it didn't go well. So I thought I should ask for some help. Anyway, right now, what I'm trying to do is add a health system for both the enemy and player. And when the health completely depletes, you have to die. Yeah, you have to die. Anyway, let's see. This is the enemy. You can see enemy has a right cast. This detects if the obstacle is coming in from the right, and he has a view in this side. This detects if the bullets is coming from this side, and he jumps. So right now, what they have to do is go to the enemy script, and I'm doing something like, let's do export max health. Let's do that later. Let's our health is it hunter. And each time the bullet hits the enemy, we have to decrease the health. Yeah, this is the function where it checks the bullets hit us. Sorry, this is not the function. This is the function where the enemy detects if the bullet is coming in from left and he jumps. Anyway, that's not the function. I have to go to the bullets straight, and here let's improve. Yep. Here it is. So what I'm trying to do is go to the enemy and add a new function. And the function name is decrease health or take hit. Let's name it take hit. And health minus 10. So every time you take a hit, we decrease the health by 10. So within 10 bullets, will be dead, or the enemy will be dead. Okay, so I'm doing something. If body dot has method, take hit, body dot take, yeah. Okay. Wait a second. Yeah. That's good. That's good. Then what we have to do is I'm gonna go to the enemy and print our health. Let me yeah. So we fire him. Yes. It's hitting the enemy, but yeah, you can see we get the health here. It's decreased. Okay. So when the health decreases completely or depletes completely, when the health becomes 0, the enemy have to die. How do we do that? First of all, we can do just like this. If health is than or equal to 0, you pray. The enemy will just disappear from C. You can see he's avoiding our bullets. He's trying to escape, but I won't let him escape. Oh, yeah. It's so tricky. Come on, man, take some hit. Yeah. He went away. One more thing here happened was we called the house method inside a body which was a freed instance, because we call this after the enemy disappeared. How do we fix that? How do we fix that? Is there a function like that? Is there a function like that? I don't know, man. Let me ask ChatGPT real quick. Yeah, how to do that? Oh, I don't know. Get down now. Let me show this function, dude. So, yeah, is instant valid. That would be great. Is instance valid. Yeah, we found it. Man. Let's try again. We have to aim a little bit above because he jumps when he realizes this bullet is coming in. Yeah, he knows. Yeah, he just disappeared off the screen. But what we have to do is do the same thing for the player. But before that, it's not quite good that the enemy just disappears from the screen. What I have to do is do an explosion or something. Some particles, right? So Let's try to do that. First of all, I'm going to the machine and adding a particles GPU particles to it. Oh, come on, man. Yeah, very easy. And oh, let's make it own particles. Yeah, that's our particles. So, a couple of things to do is the here position. Sorry, not a exploration scary netting fields and the velocity and make it 180. And let's do this 100. That's good. Also, I had to enable trace and also explosiveness to 1. That's good idea. Let me put that in front. Now there, too. Come on. Yeah, that's good, I think. Maybe, let's see, maybe I can, uh, yeah. Okay, so, yeah, that's good, I think. But, it's too slow and I don't need this much or this much time or I can make it. That's good, I think. That's good. Let me scale the speed a bit. Uh, yeah, that will work. I don't know. Also, also, what I'm trying to do is go to the visibility and change. Uh, I need to put the exact color of the enemy, right? So I can go here, put the exact color as the enemy. Oh, that's good. That's good. Okay. Then I have to make these lines a little bit bigger. In order to do that, I think no here, not here. Inside this. Where is it? Where is it? Yeah, here. So still, let me do 2 or 3. That's good, I think. And also, I'm gonna check this ball saying function. And explode. What should I say? Explosion. And make it anything with it. Yeah. And go to screen. And perfect. Yeah. Yep. Here. Copy this line and explosion. Explosion. Yeah. One more thing. Yeah. Okay. Explosion dot go. What was the name? I think. Yeah. Here's the thing. This is the thing. Explosion dot emitting is not true, but what happens right now is we remove the enemy as soon as we call this from screen. So we can see the explosion. So we have to wait a half of a second before we free the enemy from the screen. So we have to this. Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? Yeah. This. Right? So this is 0.5. And we can remove the enemy from screen. What I'm gonna do is make this function. Die. Sorry. Yep. Let's see what happens right now. Yeah, come on, man. Take a hit. Take a hit. Take a hit. Yeah, he died, but I couldn't see the explosion, I know. Maybe I will make this. Is it seconds or? Yeah, it's seconds. You see. Oh, one more detail. The problem we didn't see the enemy is because we didn't hide the sprite, right? Yeah, we didn't hide the sprite. Yes, yes, I know. This should be going by, but we have to hide the sprite. Right to the door. What's the door? Secret. Or let's see. Aim. Bow. He'll jump. He'll jump. I know him. Yes. There you go. There you go. Do you see that? There's an explosion. Maybe I'll make this 10 and we can see the explosion quite over. Ah, come on, man. Take a hit. Ah, there you go. But, why did he took, why did he take more than one hit? I don't know. I don't know. How did that happen? It's like the scene. I don't know how did he manage to take more than one hit when his health is just 10 and we decrease our health by 10 in each hit. I didn't know. I don't know, man. He's cheating, I think. I don't know. He's cheating. Yeah. Let's implement the same thing for the player. Yeah. Let's do the same thing for the player. Well, I'm right now planning to do is just copy the same functions to the player. But that's not the ideal way to do this. I know. Maybe in the future when I'm trying to refactor these things, I'll do something like a parent component or parent scene for this enemy and the player, so we don't have to repeat the same code again and again. So I'm gonna copy this and go to player. We don't have easy explosion and health. For health, and drop. Oh, come on, man. That good? Is that good? Also, as we did here, we have to do the same thing for the player. Also, we don't have this explosion for the player. So let me copy this quickly and add this to the player. And go to C and see if I can, yeah. But what I'm trying to do is change the color to the same color of the player. Okay, that's good, I think. That's good. Yeah, looking good, looking good, looking good. Let's see. I'm taking hits from the enemy. How much is it? 6, 7. Yeah, there you go. Oh, global transformer, they subject there. But you freed already? Okay. Okay. We have to look through this. I mean, if the player is already free, can't do that. If is the what was that function? Valid. Oh, it's instance valid. Where is that the thing? What I'm gonna do is add this everywhere. Where else? Yeah. Also, yeah, I think that's it. I'm gonna die. I'm taking all the hits. Oh, I'm not. Yeah, I'm dead. I'm dead. I think that's it for now. I'll make some more updates and I'll get back to you with some interesting techniques or gameplay mechanics. I'm not sure when will I update this sprites or day mods. I have to talk with my friend. Anyway, thanks for watching and have a nice day. See ya.